Hey Drip Droppers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, got a gorgeous view going on behind us, and we're going to be paint pouring on an Andy Williams album. And I'm going to be, well, first of all, do you remember Andy? He was amazing. He was, I think I had an Andy Williams crush. Yeah, I did. That velvet, he'd wear those velvet suits, kind of, the velvet voice. And everything was so carefully curated and perfect, his voice. And that big smile. Oh, I just loved Andy Williams. But anyway, we're going to pour on his record today because it's got some scratches on it. So might as well paint pour on Andy Williams. And I'm going to be using Salty Dog for my base color, which is actually the color of the album. So I'm going for that. And I've chosen these interesting colors. I can't wait to see how they come out. But here we go right now. It's excited. All right, so I've got my album here. And I'm gonna start out with Salty Dog for our base coat. Now this is a Sherwin-Williams color. Oh, this is so beautiful. You can get it in the color to go section. So first white. I want it to be like Andy Williams, like crisp. Maybe that's the word I want. Very crisp and clean. All right, so we have white. Next, we're going to be doing I believe it's the Studio Gold from PBO. So I have to look that up, but we're going to put this on it. And I think a little gold goes a long way. So at least it does in my world. All right, this is Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor Newton. I think I'll go on this side of the white. Like that. A little more on this side. I can't wait to see how this looks. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cool. It's not the color combination I at first thought, but the more I thought about it, I thought this could be really great. Now this is Grenache, and I just have a little bit left, but it's by this little piggy, and I'm going for that kind of like berry, glittery berry hue. Okay, there's that one. And Amsterdam Blue Violet. Again, I don't know what I'm thinking. What am I thinking? Okay, put a little more here. It's a little thick. And then the craziest color of all, Mermaid. I don't know why I'm doing Mermaid, but I'm doing Mermaid. And I'm gonna put a little more Mermaid up here. I can't wait to see what it does with this Salty Dog. So are these the colors you would have done? I don't know what I'm doing, but I can't wait to find out. Okay, so I'm gonna do some swiping on here. So I've got my cell activator here. We're gonna be using white cell activator. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this right on my palette knife. And I'll try to do it where you can see it. Let's see if I can get this over where you can see it. There we go. I don't want to get out of my project. Okay, so first swipe, here we go. Ooh, we're gonna do, I'm just gonna go All right, there's our first swipe done. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. Let's do another swipe. This time we're gonna go, let's go this way. Getting some cells popping up. Love that. The mermaid and the purple are really creating some interesting cells. All right, we're gonna give it just a slow twirl now. Let's see what we get. move it more toward the middle. So see if I can get the whole thing to move. We've got, I think I want to do something right here. I love this. Okay, so let's see if we can, let's do a little more cell activator. We're just going to go here. Beautiful. It's coming. It's coming here. See if I can get it into the view for you. Wow. I'm trying not to elongate the cells too much here. I just want to spin them. Ooh, it's coming. Let's see, what do I think of it? Right here. Let's put some more cell activator there. Well, here we go. Wow, isn't that incredible? I wasn't sure these colors were the right choice, but I'm in love with it. This salty dog for the base along with the mermaid. And you can just see the shine and shimmer here. It came out amazing.